Hello. Second breeding of Morelia viridis this year was from this male Arubiak, so breeding coming from Arso and Biak parents. This male was bred to my Arso, Aro to Sorong female. I'll show her. This is my biggest girl, biggest green tree python anyway, so she's always bluish. You see, she's more blue when she has eggs, so it's mostly hormonal blue, but she don't become totally green anymore after every breeding. She's stayed a little bit more blue. So this is her. So from this breeding I had 22 babies. 18 days started good, good from start. One finally died because it had a prolapse, and my experience with prolapse is that once I have prolapse, it's the beginning of the end. Don't have good experience with prolapse. Most of the time the babies they die. Not most of the time, in my experience they always die. And I also had 4 babies I needed to assist feed, and there I had the same experience. After 2 assist feedings they also died. So my experience with assist feeding are not good. I don't like it, and the result at the end is not good. So you see, this time I have from this blue female, the first time I have yellow babies also. Normally she always give 100% red babies, so this influence must be coming from the Biak male, who give a mix of babies, yellows and reds. I have to say, so these are the 15 babies I will show you here, because I already sold 2 of them. So one of the eaters died from that prolapse, as I explained. So these babies, they have fed more than 10 times. So they're for sale right now. So the people who don't know, I'm from Europe, so if you're from the US, you need to know that you cannot get them. I'm very sorry for you, but there's also nice stuff in the US that I cannot get. So I also prefer that people they collect them at my place. Right now I'm not going to any snake show or whatever. Anyway, I don't like to take Morelia viridis babies to snake shows. I prefer people to collect them at my place. So, see, I've already seen some yellows and some reds. This is another yellow. They are feeding very well, just like my other clutch that I have showed in the other movie. Same story. Take a pinky, a warm pinky. I need to say, I always warm my pinkies. I always put also chicken down on them, some chicken feathers. They all chicken. Put some of these feathers on the nose, and they are feeding in 1 second. They don't have any problem. They are all feeding very well. They even don't hesitate. They just go to it. You see, this one is yellow, but it also have like some orange. I don't know. Nice baby also. First one I showed in this movie, this baby was one of the keepers. I'll not sell all of them. I will at least keep 2 of these babies for myself to see how they grow up. See another red one here. People are still mostly interested in red babies. First people who came to buy both of them, they choose a red baby. There's still this idea that have a bigger chance on a special adult with a red baby, which is true but not always. So they are, in fact, they are designers. There's not really locality because they've been mixed up with different things. Female Arso and the male Arubiak, so no need to call them locality. I should give a name to the pens like they do in the US. Maybe I have to start with this, giving names to my snakes. So, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not so much in all these things. I think this one will be a keeper also. I like the very heavy pattern. Well, the yellow here also with some of this orange on the neck. Try if I can show the head also a little bit. See, there it is. Very nice babies, big also. They are the biggest babies I ever had from my Morelia viridis. I think after 10 feedings, some babies are already at easily 20 grams. Not used to it, you see, very active. This one is already thinking of eating again. So we are still almost to the end. I think the last one to show is also a red here. And it's a nice red and a dark red one also. So a nice baby. I see a little bit orange on the head. So this is it. This was the second clutch, which was born the first, in fact. Hope you like it. Bye bye.